With the recent escalation in energy cost, electric power conservation has become a hot topic in the auto repair and auto collision industry. Body shops in general can be classified as high energy users relative to the size of the business. And when this elevated energy cost is combined with low net profits, the impact of rising fuel and electricity costs is a burden many shops will struggle with. It's estimated that natural gas has increased by over 40% in the last 3 years, and electricity has increased by a similar amount. More worrying is that the trend is expected to continue. One way to curb these costs is to choose the most energy-efficient technology to reduce your energy costs throughout your shop. More than 50% of the electrical energy consumed by North American-based manufacturing is used to drive induction motors. Energy consultants specializing in body shop requirements can identify individual potential savings and recommend specific, tailor-made measures. Practical experience shows that, with targeted investment, body shops are capable of cutting their annual energy bills in some cases by up to 20%. The 3 biggest areas for savings potential in the body shop are spray booths, air compressors, and lighting. Spray finishing is an energy-intense process, particularly conventional air and HVLP spray guns, spray booth, curing ovens, and conveyor drives. In 3 out of 4 of these applications, motors are a significant, if not the primary, costly energy consumer. Compressed air, bright lighting, and high temperatures in the spray booth. They all mean high energy consumption and therefore spiraling energy costs. Simple measures and small-scale investment often have a big effect on the electricity bill. Phase balancing is a very important way to reduce energy costs. Phase balancing aims to reduce the unbalance of loads on 3 phases, which can bring severe voltage drops in the electrical feeders. An unbalanced 3-phase system can cause 3-phase motors to experience poor performance or premature failure because of mechanical stresses in motors due to using lower than normal torque output and higher than normal current in motors and 3-phase rectifiers. Anything that causes the production of heat in your electrical system when exceeding its designed functions uses unnecessary power. Harmonic distortion can cause stress to the electrical network and potentially damage equipment. Symptoms of problematic harmonic levels include overheating of transformers, motors and cables, thermal tripping of protective devices, and logic faults of digital device. Even the most efficient compressed air systems only convert 10 to 15% of the operating energy into energy stored as compressed air. Energy Star says on average, 76% of the lifetime cost of an air compressor is electricity. In many businesses, compressed air is one of the most expensive utilities. If a system has a very poor power factor rating, power factor correction can reduce electrical losses by as much as 5 to 25%. The ideal power factor rating is Unity, or 1. Each kW Saver module system contains technology to improve harmonics, power factor, phase balancing, and also includes surge suppression throughout your facility. Energy costs keep rising, and depending on who you talk with, we're either heading toward a recession or already there. The advice for businesses varies. Reducing your energy costs is something we can provide for you now to begin saving and increasing your profits from the time you installed our system. kW Saver consultants are now located coast to coast from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, San Diego, California, and St. Martin, Cole Bay, Caribbean. Call us for more information to learn how to get our system installed in your facility soon.